Welcome dear student. So today we'll learn about the scope, importance, perspective of horticulture. So what is basically horticulture? What are its scope? How it has been important? Or what are the perspective? How it has been used in different aspects of our day-to-day life? We'll study this. So there is a very beautiful quote about horticulture. An artist cannot speak about his art anymore than a plant can discuss in horticulture. So basically horticulture is a colorful part. So we'll study about different aspect, different flowers, different fruits, different vegetable, how they have been grown, how they ripe, how their taste change, how the unripe, immature, sour fruit can convert to a delicate ripen, delicious, juicy fruit. How we can take it, and how a flower bud, a very small plant having a thorny plant, can convert to a very beautiful flowers. How very small numbers, some plants are there, the plant structure is very less, but how they can convert to a beautiful color. So this thing we'll study in horticulture. So basically horticulture, this is a science as well as this is an art of production, utilization, improvement of horticultural crops. So what are the different horticultural crops? Like these are fruits, vegetables, spices, condiments, ornamental plant, medicinal plant, aromatic plants. So we'll study here about their planting, their intercultural operation, their growth habit, how the growth habit can be manipulated, how this can be harvested, how this can be packed, how this can be marketed, and how they can be stored, because most of the horticulture crops are very delicate in nature, they are very attractive in nature, so we have to maintain their quality as well as the quantity. So the luster of the fruit, the color of the vegetable, the color of the flower should be maintained. That's why when we are going for long distance, we have to go for storing them also very in a very proper manner. Then after that, how we will process them, how the jam, jelly, pickle can be prepared from these fruits, so everything include under this. So coming to the details of horticulture, so India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables after China. So in India, 50 to 55 to 60% of the total population depend upon agriculture and allied activity. So among these, horticulture crop provide a very large amount. Horticulture cover area of 26.2 million hectare, having a production of 329.86 million ton in 2020. This is the recent statistic. So what are the feature and how it is important? Horticulture play a very vital role in our Indian economy by generating employment, by providing raw material to the different food industry. Like in case of mango squash, like in case of wine, you have to provide the fruit. In case of wine, you have to provide the grape. In case of squash, in case of jam, jelly, you have to provide fruit. So horticulture provide the raw material to the processing industry. Then this is a very source of variability. Consider about rice. If you have only rice, then you can take that staple food. There are so many vegetables, that's why you are taking so many numbers of curry. So in your principal diet or in your diet, your horticulture can add the variety. They can provide the nutrient, vitamins, minerals, flavors, aroma, dietary fibers. Horticultural crops are rich in nutrient. Horticultural crops are rich in vitamins, minerals. They provide medicine, like different medicinal plants are there, different Ayurveda. So nowadays we are giving importance to the organic. That's why we are taking about the bioform. So we all are attracted about the different medicinal plant. Then again, it provides the aesthetic value. It protects the environment. After this, it provides the highest yield. It can produce the comparative higher production than the other crop. So fruit and plantation crop which are cultivated in the place, like most of the fruit and plantation crop, they can be grown in an area where other crop cannot grow. That means in a wasteland, in a hilly area, we can grow this crop. So these are very labor intensive crop, and it can generate employment. Another important is they have very good value, like in industry, processing industry, pharmaceutical, cosmetic industry, oil industry, confectionery industry. So they have very good demand. Actually in foreign also there are very good demand. That's why horticulture is important. So these are the branches of horticulture, like pomology, this is the study of fruits, olericulture, study of vegetable, floriculture, landscapings, here we will study about the flowers, different garden, medicinal and aromatic plants, plantation crops like tea, coffee, cocoa, rubber, coconut, cashew nut. Then post harvest management, like preparation of jam, jelly, squash, pickle, like then storage of different product, packaging of different product. So this thing will study the nursery management, how we'll grow the plant or how we'll multiply the plant or how we'll propagate the plant. So this thing come under the horticulture. So these are the employment opportunity of horticulture. Like you can be a nurseryman, you can be a landscape technician, you can be a crop production or the farm manager, you can be a florist or the floral design, you can be educationist, you can be a trainer, teacher, you can be a researcher, you can be a scientist, or you may be industrial person by studying horticulture. So now coming to the different institute all over the India, there are very numerous number of institute who are continuously working on horticulture, like their extension activity, different research activity, different production aspect activity, and multiplication of the science of horticulture as well as the art of horticulture, like Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, different agriculture university, Central Horticultural Experiment Station, Central Institute of Arid Horticulture, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture. Different NRCs are there for different crops. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Director of Floriculture Research. There are different institute for a different crop and the different aspect. So research can be multifaceted all over the India. So this is all about horticulture. This is a brief of horticulture. Thank you a lot for patience hearing.